Let's see how you can record multiple expenses at once using bulk OCR scanning in Refrens. To start, go to the Purchase section. Click on the drop-down menu and select Bulk Scan Expenses. Here, click on Upload PDF or image file. Now, select all the expense documents you want to upload in bulk. Click Open. You will now see all the selected files uploaded here. Once the files are ready, click on Continue with Files. The files will now be uploaded and processed. Once the scan is complete, go to Scanned Documents. Then open the Scanned tab. Here, you will see all the documents that have been scanned. You will also receive a notification once the scanning is complete. Now, to record the scanned document as a purchase, click on Add to Purchase. First, confirm the vendor details. If the system has mapped the document to the correct vendor, click Confirm Vendor to proceed. As you can see, Refrens has automatically created the purchase record based on the uploaded document. You can review the extracted details here. You can also check the Used section to see which fields were read and used by the system. Once everything looks correct, click on Save and Continue. That's it. Your expense has been recorded successfully.